Kitchen AC, leaking water. They came up here, turned it off. Let's see what we have. Nice dirty filters. I guess they use the economizer, because that's pretty dirty for 3-4 months. Even though they have 1, 2, 3 makeup airs. Let's see. That looks dry to me. So just doing a double check, and it looks like it was iced up. Maybe it was iced up. Looks wet right there. Also wet right there. So turn it on, see what happens. Maybe it was iced up. Because that is nice and clean. No water. Turn it on, see what happens. So, indoor blower works. So, try to see what they have going on here. A straight wire from Y1 to the contactor. So pretty much it looks like they're bypassing the low pressure, high pressure circuit. Let's see what we have. See if it's open. So just go through, check all the. So this circuit 2, stage 2, low pressure, high pressure, stage 2. Close. And circuit 1, high pressure. Close. Low pressure for stage 1. Closed. So, see what we have. Only getting 200 volts. So we'll switch it to 208 instead of 230 volt. Jump on Y1. So kicked on. I don't know why they had the jumper. Nice and cold. No need to put the gauges on. The unit's not on a program. Program mode set for 72. Heat 66. Unoccupied. So nothing runs when it's unoccupied. Start at 7. 11:30. Copy yes. Copy. I'm just gonna program them all and lock them out. You know, it's probably iced up. So removed my jumper, reprogrammed the thermostat. It was out of program. Watch it run some more. Everything else looks good. Tie these wires up. It's a little crazy there. So it's a Monday holiday, so I'm gonna recommend a full PM. Wash down, degrease the condenser coil, change out filters, belt, check all ops. Not bad. Let's go.